Hey guys, my name is Adriana and I'm a yoga teacher and tribe leader over at YogaClub Box, and I'm so excited because I just got a brand new box today and I can't wait to see what's inside. Alright, let's see what's inside. So I got this super cute sports bra from Glider. And then these pants are also from Glider. And these are normally $72. And then this top is from the Free Yoga, and it's normally $35. Looks like it ties in the back. That's probably really cute on. Alright, I'm going to try this on and show you guys what it looks like together. Alright, so this is the final outfit. I'm in love with these pants. They're super comfy. I love the texture. And the top is really nice too. It ties in the back, which I think makes it really cute. And the sports bra I'm obsessed with. It's super comfy. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. I hope that you love your next YogaClub Box outfit as much as I loved mine. And make sure to join the myyogajourney Facebook group. It is such a sweet community of yoginis of all levels. You'll get tons of yoga inspo, a platform where you can talk about and ask questions about yoga, and opportunities to trade pieces or your whole YogaClub Box in the group. Plus, YogaClub Box ambassadors frequently go online and offer free classes. Bonus! Thanks again for watching. This was Adriana Lee with YogaClub Box. Namaste.